We gaan beginnen. Hi, welcome back to Tanja's Art. Today I'm going to do a pearl pour with the American Flood Flute Roll. And I will share with you the recipe. I have flute roll 8 ounce, then white, and I use the Amsterdam Standard Series titanium white is 4 ounce. For the satin enamel I have 4 ounce also, and then a squirt of Liquitex acrylic medium, and I use the gloss brilliant, then a little bit of the golden pouring medium, that is this one. So why do I put a little bit of golden pouring medium in it? Because I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but I had first a recipe that I used a little bit of another brand, but I cannot buy it anymore in the Netherlands, so they recommend the golden medium, that is this pouring medium. I will put that aside for a moment and then we can go to the colors. Just a moment before I knock everything over. Alright, that is this color, just white, but the cells comes from the base. And the colors I have used in gram, I'm sorry, I do have the base paint in ounces but not the color paint in ounces. That is 30 grams for example for light blue of flute roll, then 6 grams of paint, and water approximately 20 grams of that, and also a little bit of the Liquitex basic. And I forgot to do it in this one, so I'm going to do it again, just a little bit. And that's for, I think it's the binding what helps it, because there's a lot of water in it. I'm going to stir it very well, and I will tell you about my colors before I start. Very beautiful. I hope you can see it. And this one, for example, was the Blue Noir Iridescent from Pebeo. Hope you can see it. And let me see what I else got for you. The Phthalo Blue Black. I had it in a squeeze bottle. The Turquoise from Liquitex. The Ultramarine Blue by Liquitex. The Quinacridone Magenta from Liquitex. And here I have a new one that is Pebeo Iridescent Green. And then also the iridescent green, but then that is a different kind. I think I made a mistake now. I have one iridescent green and the other one is not iridescent green, but green blue. That is this one, green blue, from Pebeo Studio. And of course, the beautiful light blue, and that is from Amsterdam Standard Series. I will show you the bottle. Where are you? Here. It's an opaque color. I make a combination of opaque and semi-transparent and transparent. This is a canvas for 30 by 40, 50 by 40 by 50 centimeters. And I will put everything aside so I don't knock them over. And then we get started with the colors. First the base paint and then the colors. Shake it a little bit. Alright. I hope you have a nice day. I am doing well. My first pour in 2024. So it must be a success. Let's go and do it. I hope I can save by pouring in my jar again, but most of the time it doesn't work. And I'm always making a mess when I do so, so maybe that is the better way to do it. No, choose not to. I have to get it over the edge. Right. Not too much over the edge because I want to tilt it where the colors are here. Alright, that's it. Cover the edge. Right, are you in frame? Now you are. Okay. Ooh, what kind of composition and colors that I like I am going to start. Let me see. First a little bit of a torch. Now you have the recipe, and there are different kind of recipe because there are different kind of ways to make the pearl pour. And that's because in the Netherlands there are different kind of products for sale than in United States, Canada or Australia. So I think that is the reason, and I'm glad that they are all sharing their recipe. I will put the one that I use for this one. I think it is Meta Pour, and also Tara Artistry are doing the pearl pour. They are very talented artists. I'm just starting, but I like to do it. And I like to experiment too, but sometimes you want the recipe to have it just right and make something beautiful instead of doing it all over again. So let me try and do this right this time. What is something in my blue? Okay, let's start with the blue. And this time I would like to have something different. You have to tilt it a lot, but I don't want it. Last time I did something like this, and maybe I want something, just something in the middle. Because I have to tilt it anyway. Okay, Knackadown Magenta. I am using all the colors. It is combination purple, pale. Okay, let's do it a little bit of that. A little bit darker. And iridescent green. I love that color. It's always active on a canvas. Beautiful. You can see always beautiful cells when I use this one. And then I have never used this one, but I'm going to give it a go. The Blue Noir, also iridescent. I'm not using it a lot because it is a rather grayish bluish tone. But alright, let's go and Liquitex. Which one was it again? turquoise Liquitex. That is my color for now. All my colors are on my canvas. Let me see if I want to do something more. Maybe a little bit blue, because that color is very beautiful, the noir. I think this color is the blue noir, and if you see it in the light, there is, of course, it is iridescent. So I'm going to treat myself on a little bit more, just to see what kind of reaction it will give me. Right, put my jars aside. And now it's tilting time. Ooh, what kind of tilting do I want? So, and I'm just going to do it in every corner, and I will see what kind of composition I will get. The pearls are already popping up on your side, and hopefully they will grow. I'm back. And I have to tilt also to the right, because then I get pearls on the right. And now the other side, and then I have to leave it alone, and hopefully it will be a lot of pearls, but also a lot of color. Can you see it? There we go. I see a lot of paint here, strange color. I'm hoping I get this off. I have to tilt as much paint off of my canvas that I can. And okay. Well, a lot of pearls coming up, and I must give it some time to develop. I'm going to play with it. I see here the magenta in a beautiful point. Also the other colors. So I put you on fast forward, on the time lapse I mean. So you can watch me and see the development of the pearls. I'll be right back. Hi, I am back. I have tried to blow into my paint to create cells. That didn't work, so I took my blow dryer and blow the paint in this shape. And you can see that the pearls are really popping up. Not as much as I expected, but I like the shape. I love the colors. Very beautiful. And here you can see that the pearl did work. I don't know what this is, but this is a little bit wonky, but all right. It's on the game. So I think it will develop a lot more. But I like what I see, so next time. Maybe the opaque color I have to leave out for the next time, but you can see while I'm filming that there are coming cells through the base, from the base to the colors. So I will expect a lot more of those pearls, but for now I'll wait until tomorrow. Maybe I can show you the end results, but I'm thinking it will be a lot more cells. So this video will be up tomorrow, and then it's Wednesday, because I'm going to let it develop a little bit more. I hope you liked the video. If it's not working, you can always use your hairdryer or another tool to create something else that you like. This I like also. I don't know why, but I like it. And to create something that you really like. So I hope you have a nice day. See you at the next video, and thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.